This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries. I'm on the Physical Computing Unit. I'm on Lesson 3 of it, the Circuit Playground, and right now I'm on Puzzle 5. Control the LED. Now that you know your board is working, you can try out the different LED blocks. Awesome, because I saw them all light up when we turned it on. Click Run and discuss with your partner how the code works. Oh, I guess we're partners again. Hi, person on the other end of this video. Try the different LED blocks to see what they do. Okay, so here's some code. LED on. Okay, what if we do... Let's just test that. Oh, that's one of them. Okay, let's say blink. Blinking! Okay, what's pulse? But it's just the one. Can we specify? I guess we don't know how yet. Okay. Now, toggle? Is that just on off or switch back and forth? I'm not sure about that one. Nope, I thought it might toggle it back on. Alright, well, I'm going to control the interval. Whoops. Let's do 50. That should be fast. Yeah, it's going real fast. Cool. Alright, I can't wait to see what we're doing next.